For Wairarapa TV Local News, I'm Brent Gare. David Clark, Director of Lakes District Museum in Arrowtown, will give the annual Heritage Address tomorrow in Greytown. The popular event is organised each year by the Greytown Heritage Trust and attracts people from Wellington and throughout Wairarapa. The 2017 Heritage Address will be at the St Andrews Hall tomorrow night at 7:30pm. Wairarapa farmer David Blackwood is working with Greater Wellington Regional Council to protect Wairarapa's waterways and wetlands. Last year, the Regional Council, as part of its proposed Natural Resources Plan, identified approximately 920 sites in the Wellington region with significant values, including ecological and cultural. The Karadu stream and wetland was identified as having significant mana whenua values, including Waihi Tapuna and Waiora, and become eligible to achieve stock exclusion. And in sport, Greytown and Red Star have claimed first up wins in the Umpires' Cup, Greytown cruising to victory in just 20 overs with no wickets lost. And it's happy birthday to Wairarapa TV. Spending 12 months now in operation, we've turned one. Thanks for watching.